I'm Lois Schklar. I want to show you some of the objects I have collected, where they live in my studio, and how they inform my art practice. First, a quick look at my studio. Looking east, my work table with assorted tools, a 1950s Singer sewing machine, a cutting board, and small paint area. Underneath, boxes filled with wire, elastic cords, metal, and wood. Looking west, a 15-foot wall on the left for working on installations. At first glance, the studio may seem unorganized, but I actually know where every object is located. With that in mind, I want to take you on a tour of my storage cabinets. My favorite is this unit from IKEA. Jewelry findings bought by the pound in the 70s are from Courage My Love in Kensington Market. I used the findings on dolls from the 70s and 80s and even the chess sets I made in the early 90s. A drawer of shells collected from beaches and flea markets. Horrid Little Doll, 2002. On Becoming, 2003. A collection of antique drawer pulls. In 2019, I combined the metal drawer pulls with other materials and made knobs for an interactive dresser, Pull Me Gently. Each knob had an excerpt from a poem. The entire poem could be heard in the order it was written, or the audience could make new configurations and theoretically create a new poem. Another great IKEA unit. Drawer 3 stores letters and numbers from Dollarama that I painted and used in Timelines, Poetry Excerpts 2018. This unit holds books and a variety of objects in plastic, glass, and wood containers. Top right, a temporary stage for taking photos of small work. In 2005, I started to explore the connections between objects and their associated memories through a series of site-specific installations, each installation built on preceding work. Rain Gently Falling, 2018. I am also interested in the idea of divesting. Easy to say, difficult to do. In Specimens 3, a person can buy an object, which means fewer objects for me to take home. The installation changes with each purchase. A detail from Specimens. Currently, I am working on I Am Here, a series of rattles for an exhibition at Redhead Gallery. They are clearly a departure from my installations, yet evolved from the rattles I created in 1999. All are composed of repurposed objects from my collection. And finally, my installation for Fibreworks 2020, Lies My Teacher Taught Me, all packed and nowhere to go yet. I hope this tour has given you insight into the materials I still find so engaging. Thank you.